Inside Google's tech headquarters. With many tech companies relishing international importance, and with funds to match, some headquarters have now become grand architectural wonders. Google's tech headquarters is not an exemption, as they have the mind-blowing Googleplex to call theirs. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below to be the first to get a notification on our next video. Company offices that aren't as architecturally gifted have drawn wide interest for considering not only their high-tech products and services, but also their employee perks, such as massages, volleyball courts, cafeterias stocked with free gourmet food, dry cleaning, and doctors on site. Both the state-of-the-art buildings and lifestyle are mesmerizing to outsiders. The billion-dollar headquarters of some iconic U.S. tech companies have become so striking that tourists from around the world continue to visit just to see them, and maybe catch sight of a self-driving vehicle. In June 2006, Google acquired some of Silicon Graphics' properties, including the Googleplex, for $319 million. The Googleplex is the company headquarters complex of Google and its parent company Alphabet Incorporated. It is located at 1600 Amphitheatre Parkway in Mountain View, California, United States. The original complex, with 2 million square feet, 190,000 square meters, of office space, is the company's second largest square footage collection of Google buildings. That is, after Google's 111 8th Avenue building in New York City, which the company bought in 2010. Since the buildings are of fairly low height, the complex stretches out over a large area of land of over 12 acres. The inside of the headquarters is furnished with items like shade lamps and giant rubber balls. The lobby sports a piano and a projection of live queries on Google Search. Google has also fitted copies of Spaceship One and a dinosaur skeleton. The site has always had a series of solar panels casing the rooftops of 8 buildings and 2 solar carports, capable of producing 1.6 megawatts of electricity since 2007. At the time of installation, Google believed it to be the largest in the United States among corporations. The panels provide the power required for 30% of the topmost electricity demand in their solar-powered buildings. The Android lawn statues, formerly outside of Building 44 on Charleston Road, are now located on the Google campus at 1981 Landings Drive. To move from one part of the campus to another, Google offers its employees free colorful G-bikes. The main building, Googleplex, is faced by a T-Rex skeleton with twirling flamingos. While visitors can visit the grounds, they are not allowed inside the buildings unless they are escorted by a Google employee. The company doesn't run tours in this building. However, Google has a visitors center at 1981 Landings Drive in Mountain View, but it's also not accessible to the public without a Google escort. Regardless of just how cool the Google campus already is, things are about to be upgraded. The company is working on 2 new buildings that will be built from the scratch. Charleston East, which would be located near the current campus in Mountain View on an 18-acre lot that's been leased by Google for years. The new building would feature 59,500 square feet of office space, plus more than 10,000 square feet of publicly accessible areas, such as retail space, cafes, or other amenities located in the middle of the building. The roof of the building would be designed to be lightweight with particularly designed solar panels that would be lighter in color and safe for birds, covering the entire roof. The other building, Bayview, is a 1.1 million square foot facility on a 42-acre site. The design would be similar to Charleston East, only over 3 structures containing office and conference space. The buildings would feature 2 floors of workspace centered around internal courtyards. What do you think about Google's tech headquarters? Would you love to visit? Thanks for watching this video of Google's tech headquarters. Please drop your comments in the box below, and remember to click the subscribe button below to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.